Have you ever wondered who our closest ancient relatives were and what they were like? Let's turn back the hands of time and delve into a world that existed over 40,000 years ago. A world inhabited by a species known as the Neanderthals. The name Neanderthal might conjure images of brutish, primitive beings, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Our ancient relatives were far more complex and sophisticated than we often give them credit for. They were much like us. In fact, they were us, just a different kind of us. The Neanderthals were first discovered in the mid-19th century in the Neander Valley, near Düsseldorf, Germany. Initially considered a subspecies of Homo sapiens, they are now recognized as a distinct species that coexisted with and diverged from our own. Physically, they were robust, with a stocky, muscular frame, an adaptation to the cold climates they inhabited. They had larger brain sizes than us, and distinctive features such as a prominent brow ridge and a wide nose, likely adaptations to their environment. Their geographic range spanned Europe and parts of Western and Central Asia, with their timeline extending from about 400,000 years ago to around 40,000 years ago. They were a resilient species, adapting to diverse environments, from the icy cold during glacial periods to more temperate regions during interglacial periods. They were skilled tool makers, producing tools such as hand axes and spears. They used a wide range of materials including bone and antler, and evidence suggests they engaged in symbolic behavior, creating decorative items. Their robust physique and tool adaptations suggest a reliance on close-range hunting strategies. The evidence of burial sites and care for injured individuals suggests a level of social organization and empathy. They likely communicated using a combination of gestures, vocalizations, and possibly language. There is evidence of overlap between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens in regions like the Middle East, suggesting some level of interaction, possibly including interbreeding. This interaction has left a genetic legacy in modern humans of non-African descent, who share a small percentage of their DNA with Neanderthals. Join us as we embark on a fascinating journey tracing the footsteps of the Neanderthals. Our journey begins in the Neander Valley near Düsseldorf, Germany, in the year 1856. This tranquil valley would soon become the epicenter of a historic revelation. It was here that limestone quarry workers stumbled upon an unusual skull. The skull, with its thick brow ridges and robust structure, was initially thought to belong to a bear. However, it was eventually identified as the first known remains of a Neanderthal, our closest ancient relative. This discovery sparked a wave of curiosity and research. Initially, these ancient beings were considered a subspecies of Homo sapiens, dubbed Homo neanderthalensis. But as we delved deeper, our understanding evolved. The fossil record, combined with genetic studies, painted a more nuanced picture. Today, we recognize Neanderthals as a distinct species that shared the Earth with our ancestors. Our perception of Neanderthals has come a long way since that fateful discovery in the Neander Valley, and so we continue on this journey of understanding, exploring the lives of the Neanderthals, a distinct species that walked the Earth alongside Homo sapiens. Imagine a world that existed around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. This was the world of the Neanderthals, a distinct species of humans who once roamed vast stretches of land. Their footprints spread across Europe and into parts of Western and Central Asia. The Neanderthals thrived in this world for more than 350,000 years, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. From glacial tundras to temperate forests, the Neanderthals faced the challenges of drastically different environments. They evolved to become robust and muscular, a physique that was well suited for the cold climates they often inhabited. But their adaptability didn't stop there. Evidence suggests they used animal furs for clothing, providing them with the necessary warmth against the harsh winters. They also constructed shelters, further proof of their ability to manipulate their environment for survival. But the Neanderthals were not just survivors, they were also innovators. The world they inhabited was not only shaped by them, but was also a canvas for their technological prowess. The Neanderthals were skilled tool makers, fashioning hand axes, spears, and other tools from a wide range of materials, including bone and antler. But it wasn't just about survival. These tools suggest that the Neanderthals engaged in symbolic behavior, creating decorative items, perhaps for personal adornment or ritualistic purposes. The Neanderthals' world was one of constant change, marked by the ebb and flow of ice ages and interglacial periods. Yet they managed to thrive, adapting to their environment and using tools to shape it to their needs. Their story is a testament to human resilience and innovation, a narrative that continues to captivate us today. In the grand tapestry of human evolution, the Neanderthals occupy a unique place. They were not our ancestors, but they were our kin, a separate branch of the human family tree that flourished in their own right. Through the lens of archaeology and genetics, we continue to unravel the mysteries of their world, gaining a deeper understanding of our own human story in the process. Neanderthals were not just survivors, but innovators, adapting to and shaping their world. What did a day in the life of a Neanderthal look like? Let's delve into this intriguing question. In the realm of sustenance, Neanderthals were expert hunter-gatherers. They feasted on a diverse menu, with large game animals such as woolly mammoths and reindeer taking center stage. But their palate was far from limited to meat. Plant food, shellfish, and even insects were part of their varied diet. This culinary diversity speaks volumes about their adaptability to different environments and food availability. Now, let's talk about hunting. Neanderthals were not just brute force hunters, they were strategic. Their robust physique and tool adaptations suggest a reliance on close-range hunting strategies. They crafted spears and hand axes with meticulous precision, using them not only for hunting, but also for tasks like cutting and scraping. Beyond their hunting prowess, Neanderthals had a rich social fabric. Evidence from burial sites indicates a level of social organization that is quite sophisticated. They cared for their injured and elderly, a testament to their empathy and sense of community. This caring nature extended beyond their kin, as seen in evidence of intergroup relationships. Communication was another interesting facet of Neanderthal life. While we can't say for sure if they had a fully developed language, it's likely they communicated using a combination of gestures, vocalizations, and possibly symbolic artifacts. They might have also created decorative items, hinting at a sense of aesthetics and perhaps even a symbolic language. What's clear is that Neanderthals were not the brutish cavemen of popular imagination. They were complex beings with rich social lives. They adapted to diverse environments, developed sophisticated tools, nurtured their communities, and possibly even expressed themselves artistically. So let's remember them as they were, not as simplistic caricatures, but as our closest ancient relatives who walked this earth, living their lives with resilience and ingenuity. Neanderthals were not the brutish cavemen of popular imagination, but complex beings with rich social lives. How did the paths of Neanderthals and Homo sapiens cross, and what does that mean for us today? Imagine two distinct species of human-like beings living and interacting on the same ancient stage. Our ancestors, Homo sapiens and Neanderthals, shared more than just geographic boundaries. They shared moments of history, and as we now know, they shared genes. Let's journey back in time to regions like the Middle East, where the footprints of both Homo sapiens and Neanderthals intertwined. Their paths crossed, leading to interactions that transcended mere survival. Evidence suggests that these interactions may have included collaboration, conflict, and even interbreeding. Fast forward to the present day, and we find that these ancient encounters left an indelible mark on the genetic blueprint of modern humans. In fact, if you're of non-African descent, a portion of your DNA, up to about 2%, originates from Neanderthals. That's right, we carry within us a living testament to these ancient unions, a genetic legacy that influences everything from our immune system to our susceptibility to certain diseases. But the story of Neanderthals and us doesn't end there. We also need to address the elephant in the room: extinction. Why did Neanderthals, robust and well adapted to their environments, disappear from the face of the Earth around 40,000 years ago? Theories abound. Some point to drastic climate change, others suggest competition with Homo sapiens, and still others propose a combination of ecological pressures. The truth may lie in a complex interplay of all these factors, a puzzle that continues to intrigue scholars. As we delve deeper into the enigma of Neanderthals, we uncover layers that challenge our preconceptions and highlight the intricate tapestry of human evolution. We see a reflection of ourselves in these ancient beings, an echo of our shared past, and a link to our collective heritage. In the DNA of every non-African today, we find a testament to the enduring legacy of the Neanderthals. From our genes to our understanding of human history, Neanderthals continue to shape our present and influence our future. The story of Neanderthals and Us is far from over. It's evolving just like we are. So, what is the Neanderthals' legacy, and why does it matter? As we've journeyed through the life, the world, and the ways of Neanderthals, we've come to understand that these ancient beings were not so different from us. Their robust physique, their ability to adapt to harsh climates, their skills in tool-making, and even their capacity for empathy and social organization. All these aspects remind us of our own capabilities. Perhaps the most direct link between us and them lies in our DNA. Modern humans of non-African descent share a small percentage of their DNA with Neanderthals, a testament to the intermingling of these two species. This genetic legacy is an important piece of our evolutionary puzzle. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of Neanderthals, their extinction, their interactions with Homo sapiens, their adaptations, we are not just learning about them, we are learning about us. As we continue to unravel the Neanderthal story, we are also uncovering the story of ourselves.